Shaking my fucking fake ass niggas, man. Some G shit. Gotta watch who up on my friends, cause when the back is turned, the niggas gon' snitch. You already know these niggas is real bitch made. These niggas is telling the police. How you tell the police on a nigga you chill with? I'd rather go to jail for life than be a fucking snitch. How the fuck you wanna be a fucking snitch? You a fucking bitch and you suck dick with your fucking lips. What the fuck is wrong with these niggas? I'm rolling up clips, cause I'm telling you I'ma get all these niggas hit. Who the fuck snitching on the G like me? Niggas wanna be snitching to the police. Nigga, if your head ain't on the line, what's the point of putting mine on the fucking line? Fuck you snitching for? You a motherfucking bitch, whoever the fuck it is. I'ma find out in the end, cause the police tell it all. Just like these niggas in the streets. That's why you gotta watch your back and watch who you chill with. Watch who you kill with, cause niggas will tell quick. Niggas is bitch made. Fucking snitching on the nigga from your own hood. That shit is no good. Y'all niggas real crazy. Y'all niggas is crazy. Snitching on a nigga like me, that shit don't faze me for real. Cause when it's time for war, I'ma rob and kill. Niggas know me, I'm a real nigga, always real. If it's beef, I'm always fucking there. Fuck all that shit, fuck these niggas, I'm outta here. If it ain't my main niggas that got beef, then me, I ain't leaving off the fucking streets. Grand Avenue, Davidson Avenue, you would never catch me off those two streets. Unless it's beef with my real niggas, niggas that'll ride, niggas that bang with pride, niggas that know me and never snitch, niggas that's real, quick to empty a clip. You know who real in the end of the day, cause niggas that's real be like, let's where these niggas stay. Niggas that's fake, I be like, we catch them another day. Man, fuck all that shit, I'ma just tell you how I feel, nigga. On some G shit, I feel like everybody I'm chillin' with need to be watched, except certain niggas. Like my nigga, White Boy, he don't need to be watched. My nigga Spaz, he don't need to be watched. My nigga Mo, he don't need to be watched. But some of these niggas need to be hit with 7 of them shots, 11 of them shots, get locked up and get popped. Fuck all the niggas, man. I hope you get pulled up in the yard snitching on me. Fuck, telling my name. What the fuck is wrong with these niggas? I be rotting in the cell cause of these bitch niggas snitching on the nigga. Damn, I can understand if they snitched on me cause they name was in the shit. The niggas just snitching cause they can. Like, if you really don't like me, just tell me, nigga, you can fucking fight me. You don't gotta be a motherfucking snitch. You can get it poppin', nigga, I'm ready for anything, nigga. You talking shit, you wanna be a snitch, you can suck my dick. Fuck you bitch, fuck the government. I'm a fucking G and I'm fucking loving it. I don't give a fuck about none of these fucking niggas. I'm a fucking G, OG, GTO, OG, YM, I'm a G. I'm heavy in these streets. These niggas is a B, I to the T, C to the H. Niggas wanna be fucking telling on me. What kind of shit is that? I never snitch, never will, never run, never will. Niggas talking shit to me. Well, write your name, write my name and you will. Cause I'm ready to get you done quick. Fuck you dumb bitch snitching on a fucking nigga like myself. Why would you wanna snitch? That shit ain't cool. I never had to snitch on nobody, bitch. When it was time and my name was on the line and I was about to go behind some bars from niggas of mine, nigga, I was ready to do time. I'm like, just throw me in the cell. I'm ready for whatever, cause I will never tell. I'm a real nigga, real niggas is good. Keep it hood, niggas really should. Instead of snitching, you should be telling your nigga, I'm your witness that you ain't do shit. But no, these niggas wanna be talk about it was him, it was me. Fuck you nigga, don't let me catch you in the streets, cause I'm telling you I'm coming quick with the 9. When you see the 9, flash by your life, flash by your eyes, flash right past your life go bye-bye. Nigga, don't ask why, cause I told you why. I'm ready for you niggas to die. Fuck all that shit, I'm ready to ride. Fuck all this shit, I'm a fucking gangster in the end. If anything, I'm going in with a smile on my face with Tim's. I'm a fucking G, man. When it's time to go in, I'ma be like I'm with it, whatever. Niggas talking shit, I'm ready for whatever, man. I'm ready to fight for my life. Ready to take a nigga life, ready to fuck a yard, I don't give a fuck. I fuck a nigga quick, my name ain't Bob, my name is Killer, man. You already know I'm a killer, man, a dealer, man. And I'm quick to deal, man. talking shit, well they better be ready for this clip. It holds 16, I'ma put 3 in your hip, 2 in your face, 1 in your lips, 1 in between your lips, cause you need it in your lips because you really sucking dick, nigga. Who the fuck is up? And I straight violated whoever snitching on me, nigga, suck my dick. You already know it's whatever with me. I'm ready to give it up however be. All you bitch ass niggas R.I.P. who snitching on me. Yo, fuck Jameer, fuck MLB, fuck WBC, fuck all them niggas, man. On some G shit, nigga. Fuck them niggas, man. Real dog shit, nigga. Fuck all them niggas, fuck that nigga. Damn, dog. Tell you about these niggas, man. Free my nigga Smooth, free my nigga Peanut.